Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Genesis. Yo izinto ziyayenzeka uGabriel makafika. uGabriel then went wayotshela umanager wethu get off. Thatha umanager phansi phezulu, thatha umanager phansi phezulu, wamutshela wethu get off. Remember, umanager aka-understand i-situation yokuthi lo uzothola i-ID just like that, because there's a business of some sort that they are running in that orphanage, and by him running away from the orphanage, I think he broke that rule. So Gabriel Wati, you don't want me, don't mess with me, you don't want me to expose that children are getting lost in this place. Furthermore, I am giving you a time frame. Within this time frame, you should have sorted all this mess, because when I come for you, it's not gonna be nice. Hey, ugel wakhipha lokwakhiphayo uGabriel wathi ngicela ungangijwayeli kabi, I don't have time to play, this is not everything. Eventually ke wakhipha everything ke ugel masekafikile uGabriel ubuhle wanikeza uIshmael who was so emotional. Now that he knows his real name, will he go by his real name or will he continue by being uIsh? I don't know, but for now uguy is so emotional. Ubongile yazi akazi ukuthi angamenzelani ubuhle, but like he was really grateful. Ifamily kaThabethe ibe ne-meeting babatshele into esimple ukuthi uyabuya umakoti nithanda ningathandi. Why? Uye wa-returna leya mali, angisho uye wa-returna leya mali umama kaMaruna wathi angifuni ukwasent kwasheleng yakhona. uMaruna uyoba umakoti kaThabethe and that's it nje wathi. So yabalwisa ke uFelicia noGabriel indaba yokuthi uzame ukubribe leya mama, knowing ukuthi leya mama greedy. That's changed to leya mama, she was never gonna take it. Umntanakhe angeke azahlazeke, icareer yomntanakhe iphele. At this point into ezoyenzakala ukuthi umshado uzoyenzakala. Hayi bamhlalele phansi ke baba bakaThabethe uGirl bamtshela ukuthi akuna divorce ezoyenzakala, kuyaqhutshekwa the way mele kuqhutshekwe ngakhona nani athi no angimthandi, athi but you will learn to love her, and if vele uhlulekile ukumthanda ungasithatha isithembu, we don't have a problem. But uMaruna yena uyalenda la as your first wife. I was like akunakubaleka. So mama khona uyabuza ukuthi uMaruna makeza azohlala la, what about my son, where must my son go? At your son unomfazi nangu umfazi wakhe lo, he must see to finish ukuthi how he nurtures the wife, and that's it. Umara ugela uyeza. So the Thabethe family still calls shots laphayana, and their shots nje are shotoring, cause manje barking mandwendwe alondwendweza ntweleng proper ntweleng right ntwetla berithoma ho ibona ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani ngobonko sisazobona. Mara uMaruna yena seka uMrs Thabethe.